Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. You can see the base dimension 85, thickness is 15 mm, width is 70 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more like these videos. Select your top plane, sketch, select one circle, create dia 70 circle, select line, create center line first, select line, create line like this, delete segment, delete this line, the distance is 85 mm. Next select on create one circle here, dimension is 20 mm, select line, delete segment, delete these lines, finish sketch, extrude after 12 mm. Now base is created, select this surface, sketch, select reference, create rectangle, give the dimension 15 mm, finish sketch, the length is 90 from the base, 75, 90 minus 15, 75. Next select this surface, sketch, take the reference lines, create two circles, one is 40 mm, select line, create line like this, delete segment, delete the unwanted lines, finish sketch, extrude, length is 55 mm, next select the surface, sketch, select the reference, okay, select line, create one line, delete segment, okay, extrude, here select remove material, reverse direction, mm is okay. Next select plane, sketch, select line, select references, select this and this, close, select line, create like this, So finish sketch, select your profile rib, thickness is 10 mm. Okay, that's it friends. So you can compare it to the image. All the features are added, and also if anything is missing, please leave the comment below. Assign material here, go views, here change names and thumbnails. You can see there are a lot of materials is here. You can assign as per your requirements. So I will assign standard steel polished, select entire body. Okay, we can edit model appearances, color wheel, we can edit color like this. So that's it friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends. Save the part, Ctrl S wherever you want.